Hi, folks. Hi, my name is Leanne Hurren from Home Family Digital. Welcome to this group, which is Life We Design, and it's all about Canva. And my goal is for you to be able to learn with me how to use Canva to create posts, to create, um, you may have some little projects that you're wanting to use Canva for, to discover the app and also to use it yourself to learn from the videos, and you to put that information into practice to benefit your life, your business, and the community around you. So today's goal is to basically to start to do an introduction, introduce you to Canva itself, and get started. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to share my screen. I actually did attempt to do this on StreamYard, but unfortunately, it did not like me. But that's okay. It's all a learning experience. So there we go. Here is my my server. So what we want to do is just type in www.canva.com and enter that. And that will bring you up to the website. Now, Canva has an application that you can also download from the App Store, so that you can access that from your phone as well. This is my page, my Canva website, and I actually have the professional upgrade. So there are some things on here that I'm just thinking whether it would be worthwhile. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead with the professional one, and let's just show you the plans and pricing, what the difference is. Okay, so in the free section, so basically you can create visual content with no design experience, start by yourself or invite others to collaborate. And they've got certain templates that you can use, but often they will have, like, there may be some elements that you might have to pay specifically for when you're using the free. When you then go and purchase the subscription, which works out to be, let's have a look again, plans and pricing. Okay, see prices. So you can start a free trial with this as well. So here we go. So Canva free is obviously free. You get to drag and drop editor for easy customizations, 250,000 plus free templates, 100 plus designs, 1 million free photos and graphics, AI powered tools, invite family and friends to design together. So there's still a fair bit that you can do for free. I've gone with the Canva Pro and I pay monthly, which is $20, pretty much $20 a month. And I use my Canva Pro all the time. But that is up to you what you decide to do with it. You may want to start off with free, and then as you start to get an income with your business, or then you might want to jump into the pro trial and try that. So, okay, so I'm just going to go back. Back again. And this is lovely Canva. So today I wanted to just give you a general idea on how to get started, just to create a lovely, just let's say a Facebook post, and how easy it is to be able to do that. So what we do, we go to create a design. There are a number of ways to get started with finding the templates. You can either see this lovely bar here, search your content or canvas, you can type it in there, or you can click on the search button, go down to the different things that they've got in the scroll, or you can even just type it in yourself. but there is a Facebook post right here. So I'm just going to click that. So it will take you to a blank page with the right measurements all ready to go. So then what you can do over here onto the left-hand side is you've got templates and styles. Right from the word go, if you wanted, you can create yourself your own style, your own branding. You could go through these styles, these presets that they have, and choose a color scheme that you would prefer, that appeals to you. Now I've chosen blues and yellows for this page, so I could go to this one of these color schemes that represents the page. So and you might even start looking through and go, oh, I actually like that better. But anyhow, I'm going to choose this one just for the sake of the video. Okay, so then we've got a nice blue, black, blank page. Now we can go up to design and click on templates. And then what we can do, we can type in a template, a recent template that I created, Life We Design with Canva. So we could do that. And then it would bring you up some ideas that you can go through and say, well, gee, I really like that. Or say, for example, see, design your life with Canva. And it will tell you it's a pro one. So that's going to be included with the pro. But if you were using just the first free, Canva free, you would have to pay for elements for that one. I'm just going to go down. And I'm just going to modify this one. So I've just clicked onto that template and it's immediately put it onto the page. So what you can do, you can actually go through and say you don't want that one. You can just go through and have a look at them. Okay. What have we got? So you might recognize this one. That was what I put on the page just recently. I'm just looking to see, because I'd like to give you just a few little hints before I finish today. All right, so I'm just going to choose this one here. May your clothes be comfy, your coffee strong, and your Monday will be short. And so all these elements are changeable. So you can click on anything that you want and adjust it. So let's just start. I'm going to click on the person's photo. You can highlight that and you can move things around. So as you can see, that was an element itself. So it's been put underneath the quote to make it stand out. But you can drag these elements around just to suit yourself. Now, say, for example, as lovely as she is, I would like to change the picture. So down the side, there are different elements that you can click on and you can change the photo. So what if I want to do something bright? I actually quite like that. I love the colors. This looks kind of interesting. Really like that, actually. So what you can do, you should be able to, that's not going to let me. All right. As usual. I'm just deleting, so I can delete the background. And you can just either adjust that yourself. So I'm just adjusting the sides to come in. But you can also, when you first choose it and drag it over, you can see it actually will fit into the whole screen. So there's a few different ways. If it doesn't work one way, say to yourself, okay, there's another way to do this. Now you can see here, it's highlighted that white underlay. So if you go to position and you can change the position of it, so you can bring it forward. Just click on that until it keeps bringing it forward. You can then also make that not quite as bold. So it creates a shadow. Say you don't want the quote. Maybe you would like to write something else. So this is a brand new AI that has been introduced to Canva fairly recently. So you can rewrite it. May your attire be crazy, your coffee robust, and your Monday brief. Say you want to have more fun. May your outfit be as snug as a bug, your coffee strong as a superhero, and your Monday as short as a fairy's whisper. You could say, I'm just going to go over to elements, and I'm going to say inspirational quotes. And what if I say, okay, it's just going to make it big. Okay, I'm just going to click on it, and it's just going to add this. You got this. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to take this out completely. I'm going to move this out of the way for now. And I'm probably going to take that white bit off completely. I'm just going to delete that. And because I like that, sometimes simple is just all you want, just simple. And then it sort of gives you little ideas. So this is a really great site. So I could go at www.lifewedesign. Can't spell D, and I can't see, so I need to make it bigger. Someone grab my glasses. lifewedesign.com. Okay, and actually lately you can actually take off the www and just go lifewedesign.com. You can change the color to that and actually make it orange. Maybe not. Let's try white. It's a bit of a go-to for me lately. And you can change the position of it so that you can see where you want to put it. I kind of like it down because I don't want it to be the focus of what it is. Okay, so there we go. We've got our first post that we've created. So what we do now, we go over to share and we go download. Now up here, before we download, you'll see where they actually name it. And what it has done, it's named it from the writing that was originally in it. So I'm just going to name it, You Got This. So when I go to find it on my computer, I'll know what I'm looking for. So we go download, PNG suggested, and we just go download. So it's just downloading that now, and you'll see, okay, it's already downloaded. And if I was to click on this little arrow here, there it is waiting for me. So the next step is to actually go to our, whoops, where did you go? To go to our page. So here we are. And we click on, all right, I'm going to go Life We Design, come to our page, and here we are. And I'm going to click on here and put a photo, and I'm going to go to my arrow up the top here, click on that and drag that over. And there we are. And I'm going to say, trust the process. You won't have all the answers when you first begin, but you have this. And I'm going to put in brackets the episode 1 introduction to Canva. Oops. And by Leanne Horan from Horan Family Digital. Oops. Okay, that's letting me just tag the main page. Okay, so trust the process. You won't have all the answers when you first begin, but you have this. Now you can also put in some hashtags, Life We Design, Canva, Canva, what do I want to say about Canva? Canva tutorial for beginners. I'd probably only just put a couple of hashtags at this stage. And there we go, guys. And then you can post it. So any minute that's going to post. And there we go. So that was a very, very quick tutorial, I guess you could say, for Canva today. It's mainly just to get you started. And so this is the goal that I will be doing. I'm going to be doing a lot of these tutorials, and my goal is to do one a day and to be posting them. On this particular page, I will be posting at least two Canva posts per week on this page, and I will have another resource page, which will take me a while to build up. So, but for now, I'll be designing as I go, as my family time allows me. And I hope that you'll enjoy the journey with me. And I hope that I can help you if you have any questions, or maybe perhaps you have a project that you're working on that you would just like some ideas in relation to that. Feel free to send me a message and we can discover that together. Thank you so much for your patience. I'm going to keep trying to work out StreamYard because I really do love the idea of being able to stream live and invite people in. However, there are other ways that we can do that with Zoom. We can do some events. So there's always a way. And thank you for joining me on our very first episode 1, Introduction to Canva. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.